Oh my god, this new AI agent inside the supercomputer section is absolutely insane. The tool is called Supercomputer, an advanced AI workspace where you can generate cinematic videos, marketing ads, cartoon niche content, and so much more. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into it. First of all, let me take you over to YouTube. I already did some research before making this video, and I want to show you something really interesting. AI movies are becoming massively trending right now. Channels are exploding just by creating AI-generated cinematic films and adventure-style content. At the same time, AI cartoon niche videos are also going viral because people love animated storytelling powered completely by AI. And not only that, AI-generated marketing UGC ads are dominating social media platforms as well. For example, I opened a channel called Epic AI Films. As you can see, the channel is growing rapidly and gaining thousands of views simply by uploading AI-generated movie-style videos. They create adventure scenes, cinematic storytelling, action sequences, and visually stunning AI films. This proves that the AI content industry is growing faster than ever before. Now, if we talk about the AI cartoon niche, this category is also becoming extremely viral. Almost every AI cartoon channel is gaining attention because animated AI content is entertaining, engaging, and highly shareable. And the best part is that you no longer need a big animation team or expensive software to create this type of content. And then comes AI marketing and UGC ads, one of the hottest trends right now. Normally, brands need influencers, actors, cameras, studios, and huge budgets to create professional user-generated content ads. But today, I'm going to show you how you can generate those high-quality marketing ads in just one click using AI. So now, without wasting any more time, let me open my main tool for today. The tool I'm focusing on is called Higgsfield. Okay, viewers, Higgsfield is honestly one of my favorite and #1 AI platforms right now because this website is absolutely incredible. They continuously release powerful new AI tools every single week. Recently, they launched advanced marketing tools, creative AI systems, cinematic generators, and many other next-level features. Every new update they release feels more powerful than the last one, and I'm telling you honestly, this platform feels completely original and futuristic. There are very few AI websites out there that can compete with the level of innovation Higgsfield is bringing right now. Now let me quickly show you around the platform. If I move into the image section, you can see there are many different AI image generation tools available. Similarly, if we move into the video section, there are multiple advanced video tools that allow you to create high-quality cinematic content in seconds. And even the audio section contains some really powerful AI audio tools. But today, my main focus is this brand new feature inside the supercomputer section. The AI agent with skills, memory, 24/7 automation, and advanced workflow capabilities. This tool is honestly on another level. It's smart, fast, creative, and designed to automate content creation like never before. Whether you want to create cinematic AI films, cartoon niche videos, or viral marketing ads, this tool can help you generate professional quality content with almost no effort. And trust me, viewers, this is just the beginning of what AI can do. Okay, viewers, so now I've finally opened the supercomputer section, and as you can see here, there are so many powerful AI tools available inside it. For example, you can access ChatGPT 5.5 Pro, Sonic 4.6, Claude 4.6, Claude 4.7, and many other advanced AI models all in one place. But before moving forward, let me show you something really exciting. Inside this supercomputer, you can generate 4 different styles of AI videos in just one click. For example, UGC marketing videos, cinematic videos, cartoon-style content, and many more creative formats. And today, I'm mainly going to focus on 2 categories: cinematic videos and UGC-style marketing videos, because these are currently some of the easiest and most viral content styles on the internet. So first of all, let me click on the UGC style option. Now after opening the UGC section, you can see there are multiple options available here. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, this supercomputer is not just a simple AI tool, it also comes with memory features, automation systems, and connector integrations. For example, you can connect Telegram, Google Docs, Notion, and many other tools directly with the supercomputer. That means you can automate your workflow and even use this AI system across your favorite platforms, which is honestly amazing. Now let's move back to the main supercomputer workflow. So first, I want to create a UGC style unboxing video. For that, I simply click on the option called Find My Product Online and create 3 UGC unboxing videos. And here, I already provided a product link from Chillmart PK, which is basically a sunglasses product with a packaging and unboxing style setup. After that, I simply pasted my script and clicked on the generate button. Now watch this carefully. The supercomputer immediately started working step by step. First, it begins generating characters automatically. Then, after generating the characters, it places my product naturally into the hands of those characters. And after that, it starts creating complete unboxing videos. Now here you can see the AI is asking me about character roles, duration, styling, and video preferences. I simply keep giving it basic details one by one, and the supercomputer keeps generating everything automatically in real time. And boom, now you can see it already generated 3 different character previews. It automatically decided the character styling, colors, age, and overall appearance by itself. Then I selected one image and clicked generate again. Now this is where things become really impressive. You can see the AI has now placed my sunglasses product directly into the hands of those generated characters. And after that, the system automatically started converting those images into animated unboxing videos. What's amazing is that the supercomputer works simultaneously. While generating images, it also keeps preparing the video workflow in the background. And now you can see it has generated 3 preview videos for approval. So I simply approved all 3 videos and clicked generate once again. And oh my god, viewers, you can now see that all 3 AI unboxing videos are being generated automatically. This is honestly insane because the supercomputer handled the entire workflow step by step without any manual editing. I only provided the product link, and the AI generated characters, placed the product in their hands, and created complete animated unboxing videos automatically. You just need a little patience while the rendering completes, and boom, now all 3 UGC unboxing videos are completely ready, and honestly, they look amazing. The quality, the workflow, the automation, everything is happening inside a single AI system without any complicated editing process, without loading issues, and without switching between tools. This is what makes the supercomputer truly powerful. Alright viewers, now let's move back to the supercomputer dashboard once again, because this time I want to show you how to generate cinematic AI videos. So I already prepared a cinematic style prompt where I asked the AI to create a dramatic fantasy action scene. And the moment I clicked generate, the AI instantly started converting my idea directly into a cinematic video. Now here you can see, it's asking me about the generation model. It's using Seedance 2.0 for this cinematic workflow. I simply click generate again. And now the video generation has officially started. You only need to wait a few moments. And boom, oh my god viewers, just look at this result. The AI generated an incredibly dramatic cinematic scene where a young boy is fighting against a dragon in an epic fantasy environment. The action, camera movement, lighting, and cinematic feel look absolutely incredible. And if we talk about upgrades, you can also purchase plans like Plus, Ultra, or Business depending on your needs. Right now, there are huge discounts available as well, around 40% to 45% off, and you can upgrade with just one click.